Hello and welcome back to our Food Facts Daily family. Today's video is about the small tiny thing. This video is about cloves. Stop ignoring the tiny spice in your kitchen cabinet. Most people think cloves are just for cooking or fixing a toothache, but top health experts in the USA call it one of the most powerful natural medicine on earth. Did you know that eating just two cloves every single day can completely clean your body from the inside out in less than 2 weeks? But you have to use them the right way, because doing it wrong can actually hurt your stomach. In this video, we are looking at the shocking thing that happens to your body when you start using cloves daily, and the secret way to consume them for maximum energy. First, let's talk about the powerful antioxidants your body is fighting bad molecules called free radicals every day, which cause aging, wrinkles, and sickness. Scientists measured different spices and they found the cloves have more antioxidants than almost any other food on the planet. Even higher than blueberries, just a tiny amount fights off cell damage and keeps your skin looking young and fresh naturally. Second, if you suffer from bloating, gas, or stomach pain after eating heavy meals, cloves are your ultimate best friend. They trigger the secretion of digestive enzymes, which means your stomach breaks down food much faster. This stops dangerous gas from boiling up and helps you get a flatter stomach without doing crazy diet. Third, let us talk about the blood sugar control. Millions of people in America struggle with the high blood sugar and insulin resistance. Beautiful medical studies show that the compound found in the cloves actually help your cells take in sugar from your blood, keeping your energy levels completely stable all day long. No more afternoon crashes or feeling suddenly lazy after lunch. Fourth, cloves are a massive shield for your liver. Your liver cleans all the toxic trash from your body. Cloves contain a special active compound called ingolin. This compound is the scientifically proven to reduce inflammation and reverse signs of fatty liver diseases. It acts like a natural detox machine when will you sleep. But wait, how do you actually use them safely without running your test buds? The best and safest way is to drop two whole cloves into a cup of hot water every morning. Let it sit for the 5 minutes and drink it as a warm herbal tea. You can also achieve them directly, but because the oil is very strong, it is always better to dilute it with the water or mix it with the spoon of raw honey. So do you have a clothes in your kitchen right now? Comment down below and let me know if you have ever tried glue tea. If you want to take control of your health today, make sure to hit the like button and share this video with the one friend who needs to see this. See you in the next video and stay with the Food Facts Daily for more informative videos. Thank you for watching.